This is everybody for the 12 o'clock national screen test. Come on backstage to get lined up for your final competition, your runway competition. Now everybody, remember, in this event, we're going to test them out on their runway potential, but in a way they're kind of modeling their own personality. So we want to see body language and face expressions as they walk down the runway. They're going to be scored and elevated for that contract depending on how they do on this event. Also, their t-shirt designs. We're checking out their shirts to see if they decorated them, who follow directions, and their own fashion sense. Now, Amanda, who's our first contestant?
Contestant number 339.
All right, 339. Show them how it's done. This is your final event.